More often than not, interviewers ask questions like, how do you plan to achieve your career goals, or where do you see yourself in 5 years during interviews. The answer to both questions are more or less the same. Now, why exactly is that we get tongue tied when they ask these questions? Why is it that even though we swore we answered the question correctly, we are still rejected? Well, there can't be just one answer to this question, as the answer differs from person to person on his or her priorities and career goals. But we can definitely suggest you some tips which can help you in answering such questions perfectly. But first, it is important to know why interviewers ask this question. First, to check your stability. Second, how well you'd fit in the company. Third, if you have plans for the company in the long run. Fourth, to know if you're the perfect candidate for the position you are applying for. Now, on to business. First, preparation and practice. The night before the interview, do a thorough research on the company and position you're applying for. Google the most asked questions in an interview. Now prepare your answers accordingly and practice in front of a mirror or your family members. Should be in a line with the position you're applying for. One main reason interviewers ask this question is to look into your stability. They want to know whether you are in it for a long haul or just want to leave in a few months or years, thus giving them yet another talk in finding the perfect candidate again. So, when you answer, ensure that your future plans somehow include working for the company in the long run or holding the same but more senior position. Third, short-term and long-term goals. When interviewers ask this question, it is usually unclear if they mean long-term or short-term goals. Now, you could simply ask, or you could answer both. Start with your short-term goal and move on to the long-term. This will tell the recruiter that you are a goal-oriented and a rational person. Fourth, how you plan to achieve your goal. It's not enough that you just mention your goals. You should have a premeditated plan to ensure that you achieve your goal. Your methodical approach and determination should definitely impress the interviewer. Last but not the least, culture fit. When you do your research on the company and its people before the interview, try to get an overview of what qualities and values the company holds in high regard. This will help you in answering smoothly while aligning the answer in accordance with the company's culture. Now let me tell you about the don'ts you have to keep in mind while answering how do you plan to achieve your career goals. First, do not discuss pay or salary. Second, do not be overconfident nor vague. Third, do not talk about any plan that may suggest you'd be working for the company only for a year or two. Well, now that you've got the tool to ace your answer to the question, how do you plan to achieve your career goals? We will leave you here with our best wishes. Go get them. And thank you for watching.